Is it a girl?
Richard, that's your flesh and blood!
I don't want to raise a bunch of useless women!
Pick them up, consider it my act of charity, and I have a new wife now.
That idiot deserves to have all his possessions taken away.
No!
Lily, I'm your father.
You're not my father. Dad, look at this. I drew this today. I drew our family.
Stop wasting your time on pointless things.
If you devoted half of this effort to something more meaningful, perhaps I would be happier.
I just wanted to show Dad the family picture I drew.
If you're a boy, at least I expect something worth watching.
Lily, Richard, dinner is ready. Come and eat. Lily, I have a secret. You're going to have a sibling.
Really? I'll share my toys and help Mom take care of my baby sibling. If it's a baby girl, I'll give her my pink blanket.
Shut up! This house doesn't need another useless daughter!
Richard, please. The baby is ours.
My child? My child needs to be a son to inherit this estate. Daughters only know how to eat, cry, and spend money.
Dad, I can help too.
You're already useless enough!
No matter what happens, Mom will protect you, children.
Is it a girl? Another girl?
Richard, that's your flesh and blood!
I need a son, not a burden. If you can't give me a son, then you'd better get out of this house. I don't want to raise a bunch of useless women!
Dad, please. It's very cold outside.
I'm sorry, Lily.
Mom, don't apologize. We still have each other.
I failed. I couldn't even provide a roof over your head.
No, Mom. This isn't your fault. I'll catch the water, Mom. Please don't move. The baby needs more warmth. I'm fine.
Thank you, Lily. You're such a sensible little girl.
Lily, you eat. I've already eaten.
This is for Mom and baby. I'll only eat a small portion.
Lily, thank you. I have to work hard to earn money.
Wash your car. Get a clean, shiny car.
This little girl is better at advertising than even adults. Then please wash this car for me, little girl.
Yes, sir.
Pregnant women having to wash cars on the street? How pathetic!
My mother is earning an honest living. That's something to be proud of, not something to be pitied. Don't be sad, Mom. I will protect you and my sister. Mom, will we succeed?
We'll have a real store someday, Lily.
Look, the queen and her little princess are washing someone else's car.
Richard?
Dad?
Is this your ex-wife who couldn't bear you a son?
Clean my tires and shoes for me. Women like you only deserve to scrub away dirt.
Don't you dare talk to my mother like that!
Go away, you little brat.
Pick 'em up, consider it my act of charity.
One day, you will pay the price for this arrogance!
Mom, we'll prove him wrong.
Why did you name it Queen Otto? Because some people used to say that girls are useless. We want to build an empire to prove the power of women. That idiot deserves to have all his possessions taken away.
She dared to take all my money!
What?
No way!
The company can't possibly be dissolved?
I can't believe I've lost everything.
Please hire me. I can do any job.
No, you're heavily in debt and too old. We can't hire you.
No, please, hire me!
What's going on here?
Eliza, Lily, it's me. Vanessa deceived me. I've lost everything. Give me a chance to come back. Let's be a family again.
Don't you dare touch my mother with those filthy hands!
Lily, I'm your father.
You're not my father. You're the one who threw us out in the rain and called us good-for-nothers.
You once said women only know how to spend money. Now you're kneeling and begging for handouts from the empire built by the very women you abandoned.
Eliza, please, give me a chance.
Get this person out! They've dirtied my red carpet!
No, please don't do that to me.